How to use Runway ML Image to Video New 2026 Guide. What if you could take any still photo and turn it into a cinematic, motion-filled video clip in under a minute? No editing skills required. That's exactly what Runway ML's Image to Video does in 2026. Let me show you the exact steps right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through how to use Runway ML's Image to Video feature in 2026 step by step. Runway is a browser-based creative platform, no downloads, no GPU needed, and in 2026 the flagship models are Gen 4 and Gen 4 Turbo, delivering production-grade video quality from a single still image. Let's get into it. Step 1. Create your Runway account. Head to runway.com and click Sign Up in the top right corner. Enter your email or sign in with Google. You get 125 free credits to start, no payment required. Once your email is confirmed, log in and you'll land directly on the main dashboard. Step 2. Open the Image to Video tool. From your dashboard, scroll down to the Generative Session section on the left side panel. Click on it to open the workspace. You'll see a prompt bar at the top and your generation controls on the left. This is where all your image to video work happens. Step 3. Upload your image. Either drag and drop your image directly onto the workspace or click the Upload button to select it from your device. The platform may ask you to crop the image to fit within the supported resolution. Do this before moving forward for the cleanest result. You can use a photo you took, an AI-generated image, or any still graphic you want to animate. Step 4. Choose your model. In 2026, you have two main options, Gen 4 and Gen 4 Turbo. Gen 4 Turbo is faster and great for drafting and experimenting. Gen 4 delivers higher quality and better visual consistency for your final output. Start with Gen 4 Turbo to test your prompt and camera motion, then switch to Gen 4 for your final polished version. Step 5. Write your motion prompt. This is where most beginners go wrong. Don't just describe the image, describe the motion you want to happen. For example, instead of saying a woman standing in a field, say a woman standing in a golden field, hair gently moving in the wind. Slow cinematic push-in camera movement. The more specific your motion description, the better and more controlled your output will be. Step 6. Adjust your camera controls and generate. Use the camera control settings to select your desired camera movement. Options include pan, tilt, zoom, roll, and dolly. Select your aspect ratio based on where you're publishing, landscape for YouTube, portrait for Instagram, Reels, or TikTok. Then hit Generate and let Runway process your clip. Gen 4 Turbo typically delivers results in under a minute. Step 7. Download or iterate. Once your video is generated, preview it directly inside Runway. If you're happy with it, hit Download to save the file to your device. If the motion isn't quite right, tweak your prompt or camera settings and regenerate. Your uploaded image stays loaded so iteration is fast. Here's your pro tip. For the most professional results, always run a Gen 4 Turbo draft first to test your motion prompt and camera direction. Then lock in the settings that look best and do a final Gen 4 pass with the exact same seed number. Using the same seed with the upgraded model gives you a noticeably higher quality version of the same motion without starting from scratch. This two-pass workflow is what separates quick experiments from truly polished, production-ready video clips. And that's your complete 2026 guide to Runway ML Image to Video, setting up your account, opening the generative session, uploading your image, choosing between Gen 4 and Gen 4 Turbo, writing a strong motion prompt, controlling your camera movement, and using the two-pass workflow for professional results. Once you try it the first time, you'll never look at a still photo the same way again. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI creative tool guides every week. Drop a comment below. What image are you planning to animate first? See you in the next one.